Durable AI website builder tutorial step-by-step walkthrough. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about an amazing AI website builder, and I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step walkthrough on how you're going to be using this amazing website builder to create one of the greatest AI website designs out there. And trust me, this is a game changer when it comes to creating websites. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole gist of how this designing method and scheme is going to work. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Now, to start things off, you're going to come to durable.co, and over here, obviously, you can find the AI website builder and their product tools, okay? And here it says AI website builder, build a business website in seconds. And there's different things as well, like CRM, invoicing, AI assistant. There's also resources that you can check, like blogs, perks, state guides, industries, and a whole lot more. But we're just going to come over to products, go to AI website builder, and here it says build a website in 30 seconds using artificial intelligence. Get your business online today with the #1 AI website builder. So to get into it, you're going to click on get started, and here it says what type of business are you actually building. So you can go with whatever business you have. It could be an online store, it could be any different type of website. Let's say I want to go with there's different categories of websites. Let's give it a bit of a difficult category to go with, okay? So it could be catering website, chef website, coaching, coffee shop, computer repair. Let's say I'm going to go with coffee shop. Okay, coffee shop has a lot of things to add. We're going to click on next. Where is your business located? You're going to add that, click on next, and I'm going to call this coffee lab. Okay, I'm going to call it coffee lab, and I'm going to click on generate website. Now, once you click on generate website, it takes you into the loading and it takes you into the generation of the whole design. Now, the generation of this website is going to take like a few, like you could say a minute or two. But after the generation is done, trust me, you're going to see the whole layout and styling of the website, and you're going to be practically impressed by the things that this AI website builder can do for you. Now, as you can see over here, discover the perfect brew. Experience the rich flavors and inviting ambience of Islamabad's finest coffee shop. And then over here, you can see the name of the coffee shop and the whole theme and styling. Like it has a very light brown shade to it, 20 plus unique coffee blends, award winning baristas, cozy and inviting atmosphere. You can see the About Us tab, discover the ultimate coffee experience, and a whole lot more things. So, pretty easy and pretty simple to get your head around all of this. You can also order things online, then you have Coffee Lab and all. So, really great and fun things to get your head around, basically. Now, moving on, once you have these designs, it looks pretty nice, but there's a few things that you can change for yourself. So let's say you want a few aspects regenerated. So I want to regenerate the header. So yeah, that looks much better. Now I want to regenerate. Let's go with this. I don't really like the look of this, so I'm going to regenerate that. Once you click on regeneration, look at that. It regenerates it to something smaller, but I want to regenerate it again. So I'm going to click on regenerate again. It's going to regenerate it to this. So look at that. It basically changes the designs as we click on regenerate, and it changes it quite a lot. Like not even a small minor change. It gives it a pretty huge change. And then you can also choose different, concepts and different, you could say, parts of it to be changed or regenerated. So you can get content to be changed, and you get all these other widgets. But to obviously get into the more depth customizing and editing, we're going to go over and click on customize, and here it asks us to sign up. Okay, and that is exactly what we're going to do. You're going to come here, click on sign up, add your email, then you're going to make sure to go ahead and add your password. And once you've added your email password, from there on out, we're going to go ahead and click on create your account. And once you've created your account, here it says unlimited regeneration, website editing tools, custom domain name, stock images, etc., etc. So, the basic tools that you get for any great website builder, but you're getting this for free, which is a great perk in my opinion. So once you come over here, again, you can see Coffee Lab, discover the perfect brew. You get the online store on the right hand side, and then you can get the regeneration tools that obviously you can use to regenerate. So there's three different options: style, content, or entire section. Style is obviously the coloring and the font. So style will change that. content will change the, the image in the background, the text, what the text says. Basically, it's going to change that. So let's say I want to change the content. Okay, so you can see it's going to change it to indulge in rich aromas. So it changes it like that. And then moving on, you can change it more in depth. Let's say I'm going to come over here. You can duplicate this as well, move this up, move this down, delete this totally if you want to, regenerate the entire section differently. You get the whole point. Then there's this about us section. Okay, in the about us section, let's say I want to change up the entire section. Okay, I don't want to just change the style and look at that, it changes the entire section, and that looks much better. Then let's go with this section, that I previously changed. I want to edit its style only. I'm going to go with style, and you know what? I want to change it more. Yeah, again, change it more. It just brings it back to the original style, but yeah, that looks better, much more width, so gives it space to, breathe out. So you get the whole point. Now, moving on comes the personal editing, where you can start adding sections by yourself as well. Now, adding sections is also a pretty fun thing because that's what constitutes a proper website. If you can't add sections in your own design, then you don't really have a proper website to build. So we're gonna go ahead and add a fun section over here. So let's go and add up here a banner. Let's add a banner over here. And in this banner, you can obviously add more things into your design. So, up here you have that, wake up and smell, and you can even swap these, to be honest, because I feel like this should be up here. But obviously we're gonna edit its stylings. Let's say I'm gonna style it and align it to the left, okay? And the alignment also matters a lot. So I'm gonna bring it to the left, and there we go. You can take this and then you can bring it to the center. Okay, so bring it to style. You can bring this to center like this, and that looks much better. And then obviously you can use these visit now buttons to change the whole styling and all. So this whole vibe of it looks pretty nice and it feels pretty nice. Then you can also use the AI assistant to ask for different things about the style and the design, and obviously that depends on the type of algorithm and work you want to go for. But yeah, you get the whole point. And once you've done all of this, you're going to save your website and then finally put it up for publishing, where you can preview it. Like, let's say it's going to save it properly, and once it's saved with all the styling and work you've done, you're going to preview the website and finally publish it for exportation. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you're gonna use app, or you're gonna use Durable AI to build yourself an amazing looking website. So yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.